In today's video, I'm going to show you a chewing gum that claims it can rebuild your teeth. It's called Underbrush Gum, made by Nathan and Sons, and it's marketed as the world's first remineralizing chewing gum. The price tag, about $40 for 4 packs or $10 per pack, while a regular pack of Trident costs around $1. So this better do more than just freshen your breath. The ingredients list is quite something, like a mix of nature and nanoscience: chicle gum base, mastic gum, spruce gum, nanohydroxyapatite, xylitol, erythritol, calcium bentonite clay, and several other minerals. The company claims this combination can fight bacteria, reduce plaque, and even restore enamel while you chew. Now, here's the interesting part. Nanohydroxyapatite is actually the same mineral found in human tooth enamel. Multiple peer-reviewed studies suggest it can remineralize early enamel damage, and one study even found it to be more effective than fluoride in repairing enamel. Another study reported that it produces deeper and more uniform remineralization than traditional fluoride treatment. The science behind it is legitimate. On top of that, xylitol is proven to reduce cavity-causing bacteria, according to Cochrane reviews. Mastic gum is known to fight oral bacteria and reduce plaque, while erythritol has its own anti-cavity research backing. But here's the catch: what works in a lab doesn't always work the same in your mouth. The amount, contact time, and delivery method all matter. Most of these studies use much higher concentrations than what's found in a piece of gum. User feedback is mixed. Some say their teeth feel smoother and less sensitive, while others complain that the flavor fades fast or that the gum feels too stiff. Some people swear by it, others say it's overpriced natural gum. It's also worth mentioning that the FDA hasn't approved hydroxyapatite for dental use in the US yet, though it's recognized in other countries. The company references studies but stops short of making direct medical claims. So, what's the verdict? It's not a scam. The ingredients are backed by real science. If you already enjoy chewing gum and want to experiment with high-end dental care, it could be worth trying. Just remember, no gum can magically reverse cavities. Thank you for watching this video.